my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, if you're new here, welcome, welcome. Today, I'm going to be making my very own lemon and honey glazed salmon. Yes, guys, you will want to try this salmon. Now, what we're going to need is 3 to 4 salmon steaks, a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of minced garlic or garlic powder, a half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And a half cup to a cup of honey. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning my salmon steaks. And I gave you all the measurements, but I'm not measuring because I am used to doing this by eye. I'm going to season down with all of my seasonings on one side. And I put an extra one in here because hubby wanted to taste some. He didn't get any last time. So I'm going to put him one in here. I was making dinner today, so I just decided to go on and record this for you guys so you could see how I do my salmon steaks. If you have bigger pieces, of course, you're going to need more seasonings. Now, that's all seasoned. I'm going to heat up my pan. As you can see, I have my rice over here boiling. I'm going to just add a little salt to that. And put my top on. Guys, the salmon on a bed of rice is very delicious with the honey sauce. So, yeah, put you some rice on and you'll be good to go with this recipe. Now my skillet is warming up. I'm going to add my olive oil. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of my margarine. I'm not going to use a whole half a cup of butter. If we need some later on, we'll add more. And that is getting nice. It's starting to melt. Your stove should be on between a medium-high heat. Just going to move my butter around in there. And I'm going to turn it down to medium. And I will add my salmon steaks. And I'm going to start with skin side down. Got them all in my cast iron skillet. And we're going to just let those cook until they're cooked on one side, which should only be about 3 to 4 minutes. and then we'll flip it on the other side. Okay, as you can see, my salmon is cooking very good. It's frying now. I have turned my heat up to high heat, almost high. It's on 8, and now I'm just going to check them. And yes, they are ready to turn over. So let's get those bad boys turned over. We don't want to burn them. And let them get brown on this side, and then I'll come back and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay guys, so it is brown on the other side now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my lemon juice. I've turned the heat down to medium, and we're going to add that little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to let that simmer down for a second. Okay, now that that has simmered down, we will add our honey. And I'm just going to eyeball it. And we're going to turn the stove down to simmer, because we don't want this honey sticking. I'm going to turn it down to a simmer. And then we're going to flip them over and add some honey on the other side. Guys, don't this look just absolutely yummy? My rice is almost ready. And I'm just going to slither some on this side. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Now, you can put as much or as less honey as you would like, okay? But I would suggest putting the honey so you can make a real good sauce. So, 1/2 to a cup of honey. And I might even need to add a little bit more. And I'm just going to let these bad boys simmer now while they have calmed down. And I will plate everything up when this is done, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay guys, my salmon is done, and I let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to put my salmon on my plate. I'm going to take this little bitty one right here, and I'm going to lay it right on my bed of rice. And then I'm going to get some of that honey lemon sauce and just pour a little of that on there. I didn't make up a lot of the sauce, but like I said, it's up to you how much honey you want to put in it. Look at there. Oh my goodness. And that is going to be delicious. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how it looks right here. Look at that. So guys, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye my loves.